What's up guys, I am finally taking a food sensitivity test. So I ordered a kit from Advanced Food Intolerances. Out of all of the tests that you could order and do at home, this one seemed like it was the easiest one to use and the instructions seemed pretty simple. Once you get your box, you're gonna get one of these cards and then you're gonna register your kit. The registration process is super quick. It takes about 10 minutes to get through and it's super user friendly, so you don't need to worry about answering any questions you don't know. Once your registration is complete, it's time to take a hair sample to submit. You're going to take about 10 strands from the nape of the neck. Once you have your sample, you're going to put that into your sample collection bag. Then you want to grab the little white envelope that also comes in the box. Place your hair sample into the envelope and seal it. Fill out that envelope with all of the information listed and then place that into the pre-packaged envelope for mailing. Results take about 72 hours to get back, and I cannot wait to see what they say. Check back for part 2.